Hey guys, here's our two-step process for cleaning and disinfecting your home. First, start with the all-purpose cleaner, and this will help remove all the dirt from the surface. Here we're using our lemongrass, but we also have lavender and peppermint. Next, get your disinfectant, or you can make your own with some bleach and water, and add this to the same surface to remove all of the germs and the bacteria. And it's that easy. Stay tuned for our DIY hand sanitizer. If you want more information, there's a link to our blog down in the description. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe for more content. Click here to watch more videos.